Chapter 7: Motion, Force and Work. Hello students, have you ever seen a fan spinning, a football being kicked, or a child swinging in the park? All of these are examples of motion, force and work. In this chapter, we'll learn what these three things mean, how they are connected, and how they help us understand the movement of objects in our daily life. Let's explore the amazing world of science in action. Motion and types of motion. What is motion? Motion simply means movement. When something changes its position over time, we say it is in motion. If it doesn't move, it is at rest. Types of motion. Translational motion. When an object moves in a straight or curved path. Example, a bus moving on a road. Rotational motion. When an object spins around a fixed axis. For example, a fan rotating or a spinning wheel. Oscillatory motion. When an object moves to and fro around a fixed point. Example, a pendulum or a swing. Mixed motion. When an object shows more than one type of motion at the same time. Example, the earth moves around the sun, translational, and also spins on its axis, rotational. Force and its effects. What is force? Force is a push or pull applied to an object. Force is needed to start or stop something, or even to change its shape. Effects of force. It can move a resting object. It can stop a moving object. It can speed up, slow down, or change direction. It can change the shape of an object. Types of force. Contact force acts when objects touch. Example, kicking a ball, dragging a bag. Non-contact force acts from a distance. Example, gravity pulling objects down, magnets attracting iron. Work and energy. What is work? In science, work is said to be done when a force is applied and the object moves in the direction of the force. If you push a wall and it doesn't move, no work is done, even if you feel tired. Formula for work. Work is equal to force into distance. Unit of work, joule, J. Positive and negative work. Positive work, when the object moves in the direction of force. Negative work, when it moves opposite to the direction of force. What is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. When we eat food, we get energy to walk, run, and think. Without energy, no work can be done. Examples from daily life. Let's connect these concepts to real life. When you kick a football, you apply force. The ball moves. That's motion and work. Pulling a bag uses muscular force. A swing shows oscillatory motion. A fan shows rotational motion. Even the earth moving around the sun shows both rotational and translational motion. Conclusion. So, what did we learn today? Motion is a change in position. There are different types like translational, rotational, and oscillatory. Force is a push or pull that can move, stop, or change objects. Work happens when force causes motion. Energy is needed to do any work. From playing games to using machines, everything around us follows the rules of motion, force, and work. So observe, explore, and enjoy science in action.